Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that you're really doing good at your homes, and I hope that you're keeping safe and you're giving equal time to study and games. And I hope that you had revised and listened to previous lecture very carefully, and you have done the worksheet as well. Now, if you remember in the previous lecture, we had discussed about the sets of teeth. We had discussed that there are four sets of teeth: canines, incisors, premolars, and molars. And incisors are used for cutting food, canines are used for tearing food, premolars are used for crushing food, molars are used for chewing food. And we had already discussed that there are 8 incisors there are total 32 teeth, and there are 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars, and 12 molars. So this is what we had discussed in the previous lecture. So in this today's lecture we are going to talk about teeth protection. How can you protect your teeth? Okay students, so the how can we protect our teeth? Can you just think about it, and can you tell me how? Like what it takes, what is meant by healthy teeth? So healthy teeth are teeth that are white, that do not have a tooth decay, or that do not have that are not very unclean, that are not very yellow and pale, and um, they are white and healthy, sharp. They don't break easily. So and they don't smell. So when we have all these things, we can say that teeth are healthy. So we need to protect our teeth from getting getting yellow, or getting a tooth decay, or from breaking and all these things. How can we do that? We can do that by doing the following steps. The first is brush your teeth after every meal. So it is very good and very healthy if you are going to use a toothbrush and a toothpaste to brush your teeth after every meal. But it's not necessary that you should brush them after every meal. If you cannot brush them after every meal, then what you need to do is that you can brush them after going to the bed, and before before going to the bed, and when you wake up in the morning, then you can brush your teeth. So when you wake up in the morning, you make sure, this is the first thing that you should do, is after washing your hands, is to brush your teeth. And when you go to sleep, you should go and wash your teeth. And when you have eaten a lot of sweets and chocolates and toffees and all these things, very sweet desserts, then also you should try to brush your teeth, because it helps protect the teeth, it helps them stay clean and healthy. So the first thing to protect your teeth is to brush them every day. It's very necessary to brush them every day. It's also sign of a clean hygiene. If you are having good hygiene, that means that you have your teeth brushed properly. Okay. So now the second one is, try not to eat too many sweets. So when you eat a lot of sweets, it's not healthy for your teeth. It will cause them tooth decay. Okay, it will harm them. It's not good. It will make them less healthier. So when you chew a lot of sweets, then your teeth will become they will become weaker and weaker. So try not to eat a lot of sweets and desserts and every day, because that's not good for, not only for your teeth, but it's not only good for your health as well. So try to strike a balance in your eating habits as well. Eat good vegetables, fruits, chicken, and meat, and carbohydrates, and all these vitamins. Take them in a good order. So don't eat too many sweets. Eat sweets, but do not eat too many of them, because everything under control is good. But if you're going to surpass a certain limit, everything will become danger and a hazard for your health. So you will have to protect your teeth by not eating too many sweets. Okay. Then the third thing is, visit the dentist twice a year. So sometimes what happen is that when it happens that you are brushing your teeth regularly, but still you are having, there are times when your teeth are, you're still having cavity and you're not still feeling well. So you should go to the dentist once in a year or twice in a year. You should visit a dentist to see that all your teeth are working fine and everything is under control, and all the thing under the teeth is good and it's healthy. Then teeth are healthy, they are not non-healthy. And if you have a cavity and everything, then you should necessarily and definitely go to a dentist um, for teeth protection. Alright, so this is very important. So what you need to do for teeth protection is brush your teeth after every meal, try not to eat too many sweets, and visit the dentist twice a year. Okay. Okay, what is tooth decay? This is basically not teeth decay, this is tooth decay. Sorry. Okay, so this is tooth decay. What causes tooth decay? Decay means to rot or to decompose. Okay, which means that the thing is not healthy and it's bad and it's rotten. When you leave food for a certain period of time, it becomes rotten. Similarly, if you are not going to protect your teeth, take care of your teeth, they are going to get the tooth decay. So what you need to do is that, what are the foods that are good for your teeth are fresh fruit, vegetables, meat, and dairy. So these are the food that you should eat to avoid tooth decay. Okay, and what are the foods that get caused tooth decay? They are, if you eat too many sweets like cakes, fried fruit, or junk food, or fried food, or fast food, or sweets, desserts, cakes, pastries, and toffees, chocolates. If you're going to eat them in a huge amount of number, then they are going to cause you tooth decay. So decay means to rot. And what causes tooth decay? Too many sweets. And how can you avoid it? By eating fresh fruit, vegetables, meat, and dairy. Alright, students. So I hope that you're going to brush your teeth every day at your homes after before going to the bed, and after you wake up in the morning. And also I hope that you're not going to eat very unhealthy, and you're not going to get a tooth decay. You should go to visit the dentist every year, and you should protect your teeth from smelling, from getting rotten, from getting a tooth decay. And you should eat fresh fruit and vegetables and meat and dairy. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope that you're going to protect your teeth, and I hope that you're going to keep you safe and healthy. I'm going to see you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.